myself Indrajit and I am from Maniktala. I have completed my BCA degree from Technical University and currently I am pursuing MCA. From the first year of my graduation, I always wanted to pursue a career in the IT field. So I started looking for that and eventually I found Webskitters Academy in social media. As I studied from Technical University in the Sector 5, actually the Webskitters Academy Institute is also in Sector 5, so I got to know for that institute and then I searched for it in the Google and I see among the many courses. After that I talked to the admission counselor and I got enrolled into the Android with Kotlin course and then the class started after a few days. The faculties of the Webskitters Academy are very well and good. The classrooms were very modern. We learned projectors and smart boards and the app development course curriculum is also very good. So after completing my course at Webskitters Academy, the placement team at Webskitters Academy arranged for an interview for me within the span of 7 days and then I attended the interview and successfully I cracked it for the first time. With the help from Webskitters Academy, now I am placed as an app developer at a reputable IT company. Thank you, Webskitters Academy.